All right, so it's been a while since we talked about any cases for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, man, but I recently got the Midnight Edition from Latercase for it, so let's go ahead and check it out, because I don't know about you, man, the S22 Ultra is already a big device, and we don't want to put cases up there to bulk it up too much, all right? So let's go ahead and talk about it, man. Latercase for the S22 Ultra, and this is going to be the Cyber Edition. Actually, this is going to be the Cyber Edition, but this is going to be the Midnight, all right? This is going to be that limited edition black right here, so let's go ahead and, you already know when it comes to Latercase, all right? Ultra thin, featherweight, superior texture, and stronger than steel. All right, so this is gonna be the thin case. If y'all don't know about Latercase, man, this is from the folks over there at Unbox Therapy. Lou, man, always looking out for the channel, dropping me with the latest Latercases. So let's go ahead and check it out, man. Like I said, this is gonna be that black midnight edition right here, man. Limited time, so you gotta make sure you go out there and grab one of these bad boys. So let's go ahead and take a look. And yo, before we get started, man, let me go ahead and hush all the naysayers. We know this is a thin case. You're gonna have people in the comments that's always gonna come here and say, oh, that case doesn't provide protection, it doesn't do this, it shouldn't have anything up there. Listen, man, this case ain't for you. That just means thin cases aren't for you. People like me, I work from home all day. I'm in a carpeted house. In my bed, my studio is at least carpeted. So guess what? If I drop it, I'm cool. So if this case ain't for you, man, don't even put the negative comments. Just keep it moving. But some people like to have thin, minimalistic cases. All right. So with that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at the case. Now, with the Latercase, you see it has the correct cutouts when we are talking about these cases, man. A lot of cases just doesn't do the camera cutouts correctly. And actually, they did it. All right. Now, when it comes to this Midnight Edition texture, man, this has a very nice texture. It feels a little bit different than your standard aramid fiber type of more of a slick texture. Nah, this one has more of a texture to it, and it's actually a little bit grippier. So I really do feel like this helps the phone when you are talking about grip. All right, now when it comes to the top and the bottom, you know that's going to be out. On the inside, you're going to get your Latercase. So let me go ahead and grab the S22 Ultra. All right, and that's very, very nice snap when we are talking about it popping on that phone. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. Let's go ahead and step around the case to show what's actually protected and what's not. So on that top side, you see, let's say it with me, if you watched the channel before, man, your bald head is going to be exposed. All right, so your head is going to be out, but your corners are protected, and that's mainly the areas that drops when you drop a phone. So your corners are going to be protected, and you do have a little raised little ledge right here. So if it was to drop straight down like this, hey, you might be okay, man, because you got this raised up and you have these corners raised up, so it may raise up just enough so you may not actually damage your phone. I've had people in the comments of my Latercase videos saying that they've dropped their phone a few times and don't have any issues, man, no damage. So that's pretty good to see. So that's going to be your top. Going along the sides, that's how it's going to come up to your sides, all right? So it does wrap around, not all the way. It kind of stops midway when you're talking about that bezel. So I wish I would have had my screen protector up here. I actually just took the screen protector off to see if there is going to be a little gap between the two, but it does wrap around and comes just up enough right here. So if you were using any screen protectors, trust me, it wouldn't be an issue. I was using this with the screen protector. I literally just took it off before this video, all right, because I need to replace it. So that's that when it comes to the side. Flipping it over on the bottom, you can see it's basically the same as the top. You're going to have protections right there on the corner. You don't get much of a raised lip on the bottom, and that's just because when you grip it in your hand, it's not going to dig in your fingers or do anything like that. So that's kind of on purpose when we are talking about the bottom of this case. Now, taking a look at that lay on tear protection, I mean, do we really have to talk about it? This is going to be a Samsung with the curved display. Lay on tear protection is going to be very at a minimum, all right? So you always know when it comes to these type of cases, just be careful. If you're a person who has the clumsies, this case ain't going to be for you. So just make sure you are careful when you are running this type of case. But even with that being said, these little feet right here provides a little ledge. So if you did set it on the table, I don't think you'll actually be setting it on the actual display itself. I think it'll be resting on the feet on the four corners of the actual case. So that's pretty good to see there. Now, how does the case fit on the phone? How does it fit in there? Is it easy to remove? Let's talk about all of that. So I always like to do the up and down test when it comes to these thin cases, and I'm not getting any movement when we are talking about up and down. So that's something good to see there. Popping it off, you can pop it off, but once it's popped up there, it is good. The same thing with the right corner. I found with Latercases on the right corner, that's the way you take them off at. But be careful. You're going to want to pop both corners out. You know, you pop one out. So let's do one. Don't go too far because you'll put too much pressure on this area around here and it may break. So you want to get it going, go on the bottom, and then you want to pop that out too, and then that's how you remove it. But when it's all snapped into place, this case fits very, very good. It's not coming out, very snug, holds the phone very good, and you don't really got to worry about it coming out, man. So Latercase, I found, always had very nice, snug, tight fits, no air pocket that you can feel in the back. Just overall very nice quality when we're talking about a case all the way around. And how's it feel in your hand? Of course, it's going to leave your S22 Ultra feeling very thin, like we like it, because I love the way the S22 Ultra feels without a case. I mean, I like what every phone feels like without a case, but you know, gotta add that protection. So this will give you just enough protection if you actually desire this level. Like I stated, man, I'm working from home all day. If you're in an office job or something like that and you're not out there in the elements and battling being outside, that's where this case is going to be real beneficial. I've been finding myself lately running thinner cases on my phone because of my work environment and what I do on a day-to-day basis. So you really got to see if that fits your lifestyle when we were talking about if you can run a type of thin case like this. All right, now bringing wireless charge over here. Yes, I know this is MagSafe, but it's still wireless charging. And of course, the phone is still going to work just fine with wireless charging. You don't got to worry about it. It does work straight through the case. All right, so this is going to be it, man. This is going to be the Latercase Midnight Edition. Like I said, man, head over to the Latercase website. I have the link down below. It's just going to be a website directly to the Latercase website. I keep saying website a bunch, but you'll be able to get yourself one. Not an affiliate link, anything like that, man. I just always appreciate the Unbox Therapy team and Lou and all of them for giving me a chance to send me their cases to check out. So go grab you one, go grab yourself one, check it out. Even if you got another device.